Okay, we have here problem 2-5. It states that starting from the pillar, you run 200 meters east, the positive x direction, at an average speed of 5.0 meters per second. Then run 280 meters west at an average speed of 4.0 meters per second to a post. Now calculate letter A, your average speed from pillar to post, and letter B, average velocity from pillar to post. So here for letter A, what we are looking for is, we are looking here for speed, average speed. So what's the symbol for average speed? Well, try to look for, so you gamit din sa libro. But for me, I'll be using average speed will mean, okay, na lang, speed, okay, average. Then for velocity, we'll be looking for v average. Now na I say arrow because velocity is a vector quantity or speed is a scalar quantity. Now, unsa din hitabo? Let's try to sketch this problem. Okay, naala dari pillar. What's pillar? Ay column maybe or kanang more gyapon sa poste pero more or less mas dito. Yan yung pillar, okay? You run 200 meters east. So gikan diyan na ni dagan daw ka. You run 200 man ang east so pa right, no? You run 200 meters east. So that's 200 meters. Again, it's east. Then, from that, an average speed nimo dire is 5 meters per second. And from that, you run 280 meters west. Oh, an average speed of 4 meters per second to a post. Let's get the problem. Let me check. However, you run west, okay, from pillar to post. So naadig, you run 280. So first, you run 200 meters to the east, towards east. Then, west na pod ka. So, naiposte diyan, you know. Let's draw the post to give different color. Okay. Mo na yung pillar. Okay. Mo na yung post. Kay pagka umanda ni mag-abot diyan na, you run back to the, or you run west. So kung east na paingon diyan na, west paingon ko sa left. So you run paana ka. You run towards yung bangga and you run towards there. Okay? And that length is 280 meters. Okay, pala. Question is, what is your average speed? Well, when we say average speed, letter A, no? Average speed itong gipangita, it's simply, ang formula sa average speed, so speed average will just be total distance traveled, okay, over time, total time. Kung sa kadugay na travel naman na ang distance. Okay? In this problem, unsa man ang distance nga na-travel? The first travel distance is 200. So that's 200. Then, ni-move na po siya paingon sa west. Ito sa kawala. 280. So, ang total nga distance nga nadagan nimo is 200 plus 280. Okay? That's in meters. However, kaniyang medyo tricky ka. What is the total time needed? So, gistorya ba dani kung how long did it take or unsa kadugay gikan from the pillar to this point, unsa kadugay nagdagan? Wala gistorya pero gitagaan kag average speed. So, kaning 200 meters ni mga dagan, imong average speed ani, speed average is kabalo ka nga kwan. Given known to be 5.0 meters per second. Okay? Kanipod pagdagan nimo by 280, ang imong average speed ani, okay no? S speed average in this case is what? 4.0. Papawala daw, pagpabalik nimo, pagdagan daw nimo, gikan na danin 280 meters at average speed of 4.0 meters per second. Now, question is, how do you, if this is distance, right? We call this D. Use another color. D. Mo niyang D. Then, mo niyang imong S. Yung speed. What's the formula sa speed? Well, ang formula sa speed, S, is just, speed will just be distance over time. Therefore, kung time mong pangitaon, you can di aning a formula, you can just get T, kana nga time needed from this pillar to this end is equal to distance traveled divided by speed. Okay? And therefore, we call that T1. T1 itong tawagan na itong paingon siya sa right. T1 is distance traveled 200 meters. How fast is it traveling? Ingon dire. Kuan daw, 5 meters taga second. So 5.0 meters na siya, no? Kaning meters per second. Therefore, it will take how long? 200 divided 5, that's how? 200, nasa mga 40 seconds, ba? 40 seconds niya, idaga ng 200 meters. Well, 200 divided 5. Tama, 40 seconds. Now, how about when you go back? Pabalik pa itong kaduhan na niya nga dagan, pabalik. Okay? Pabalik niya, it took him how long? So, iyang gidagan nga distance is, iyang gidagan nga distance ka ay 280. Ang iyang kapaspaso nagkahinay na siya, 4 meters per second na lang. Therefore, the time that it will took him to run that distance is distance 280, speed is 4, and that will took him 280 divided 4, that's 70 seconds. So, 70 seconds ang iyang take. So, how long? The whole length of time is what? 40 pa east, then another 70 pa west. So, ang total time will be 40 seconds. So, 40 seconds plus 70 seconds. Okay? And therefore, the average speed will be, for the whole length, for the whole pagdagan niya from pillar to the post, is 200 plus 280, no? Divided by 40 plus 70 is 110. So that will give us the value of 4.36 meters per second. And that is logical kay somewhere in between 4 to 5 lagi po ang pwede niya ma-average. 5, part of the time 5 meters per second sa kapaspas, then part of the time 4 meters per second sa kapaspas. Average should be somewhere in between. Pero ang pagkuha niya is will always follow this formula. Total distance traveled over total time. Now, letter B is also tricky. To solve for letter B, average velocity from pillar to post. When we solve for average velocity, ang formula lang imong bantayan, it's equal to displacement. I don't know kung sa gamit ng symbol for displacement, but maybe D, no? Displacement over total. This is resultant displacement over total time. Okay? Displacement means unsa kalayo na gikan sa asa gasugod. Okay? In this case, what is displacement? Diri siya gasugod. Di ba diri siya gasugod sa pillar? Okay? Diri siya nagsugod. Man siya ni end. Diri siya ni end. So, ang displacement will be the straight line from asa gasugod paingon sa kung asa siya ni end. So, that one. Mo ni ay mong displacement. Okay? And, kani nga displacement, unsa man ni siya? Unsa may value ani niya? Well, kabalo man ta nga kung 200 na diana, then pagbalik 280, klaro po siguro nga kana siya is 80 meters. Tama, di ba? Kay 200, then ibalik siya by 280, kana siya is 80 meters. But that is towards east. Okay? So, the displacement will be 80 meters east. What is the total time? Nagdagan siya. Ang total time is more gihapon. Dagan siya paingon east by 40 seconds, pa east by 70. total time will still be 110 seconds. And therefore, average displacement or velocity will be 80 divided by 110. 80 divided by 110 will be 0.73 meters per second east. Na dito niya sa east pa. West kay pa west man ang imong direction sa imong board. So west. Safe din siya. This is still niya siya east but west din siya. Okay, so west. So imo na ana, mo na ang answer, okay? And mo na ang average speed or velocity. So let me check kung mo ba ang answer sa libro no? 2-5 or ingon siya dire 0.73 meters per second along x or negative x or west. Okay, yung manggingon yung positive x is east. So, ingon ana lang ba ang idea? 4.4 or tama din. Dapat 4.4 na yung pagkasulat kay 2 the significant figures naman ang given na 5.0 meters per second. So that's problem 2-5.